Good afternoon. What is your name?
Good afternoon. My name is Maria Cristina Tablada.
What is your age?
I'm 41 years old.
Which were you born?
October 5, 1974.
Do you have a valid work permit and a Hong Kong identity card?
Yes, before, but I lost it.
Do you have a valid passport?
Yes, I have.
Do you smoke?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To support my mother and my children.
What is your hometown?
My hometown is Bicol.
What is your level of education?
I am a college level,
Are you married or single?
single parent.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have.
How old are they?
20 years old, 19 years old, 18 years old, 11 years old, and 8 years old. I have 5 children.
Who takes care of them?
My mother takes care of them.
How many people are in your family?
We have 10 person in our family.
Are your parents alive?
Only my mother.
Do you have a financial commitment to support any one of them?
Yes, I am the one who will work for them.
If they fall sick, who can take care of them?
We have a relatives there in Bicol, so I think relatives can take care of my family there.
Do you have any debts either here or in your home country?
No, I don't have.
Do you owe an employment agency any money?
No, I don't.
How many years of experience do you have?
Since I went home in the Philippines, I am a full-time housewife, taking care of my kids and my mother.
What do you enjoy most about the job?
I enjoy doing household.
Do you have allergies for food, drugs, and detergents?
No, I don't have allergies.
Are you afraid of pets?
Yes, but I am willing to try or to learn how to take care of them if if they need it.
How did you handle conflict with your previous employers?
If we argue some matters, I will keep quiet, and after some time, I will talk to them in a nice way.
Do you accept a day off but to be paid by your employer?
Yes,
In your last place of employment, were both employers working?
yes, they are working in office.
Was your role primarily childcare or housework?
Both
How many hours each day did you work?
8 hours a day.
Do you have a first aid certificate?
Yes, I have.
Would you be willing to attend such a course?
Yes, I am willing to attend.
If my child burned their hand in the iron, what would you do?
Of course, I will give him a first aid, and after that, I will call their parents to inform what happened.
If my son was being very naughty when you were babysitting him,
If your son is very naughty, I will talk to them. I will talk to him in a nice way, and I will tell him that is bad.
are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, I am willing.
Can you cook?
Yes, I will.
Which cuisines are you familiar with?
Page vegetarian or Chinese food. Both I will. I am willing to cook.
Can you speak Cantonese?
A little.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, I will. I am willing.
What do you like to do in your spare time?
My hobbies are dancing, singing, painting, reading.
Do you have any message to your employer?
Yes, I have. Sir, madam, if you want me to be your housekeeper, uh, I have so much experience about taking care of the infant, the toddler, and the elderly, because I am the one who take care of my kids. And I studied caregiving way back 2010 to 2011. And at the same time, I do household work, so I can do a multitasking job. That's all, ma'am, sir. Thank you very much.
Can you recite or sing one nursery rhyme?
Yes, I can. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Far above, up so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Thank you very much.